Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to block spam emails permanently. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to block your spam emails permanently, all you gotta do is simply open a Gmail account. So once you have opened it, permanently blocking spam involves a combination of marking messages as spam. So if you're gonna simply tap hold it and mark it as a spam, like you can report this message as a spam and you can unsubscribe it and report it. So you can even create specific filters for words and domains and unsubscribe safely. So key actions for blocking spam emails would include using the block sender feature in Gmail and setting up rules to auto delete emails containing unsubscribe and avoiding interaction with suspicious mails. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.